Hey you guys, so I thought I would come to you while the earrings are drying for the other video that I'm working on for you to share with you a sticker haul. I got carried away, not gonna lie. So my birthday was last week, I think it was, and I received gift cards and money from my family and stuff. We always say, hey, give me a Visa gift card because then you can pick what you want, right? You don't run the risk of getting something you don't want and having to take it back and all that jazz. So I always ask for gift cards, so does my sister. So when I went to the Dollar Tree and I was picking out all these stickers, I remembered that I had a gift card in the car. So I ran to get it and I just literally got carried away. I was like, okay, I'm not spending more than is on this gift card, which I didn't know if it had $25 or $30. So I was like, well, you know, to make earrings, we got to buy 2 of each sticker set, right? So I got some of the most incredible stickers, and these were all for the Dollar Tree. So let me show you what I got and just the ideas around what we're going to be making. So of course I picked up eyeballs only because, you know, we're doing the Halloween earrings, and I for some reason could not remember if I had Halloween. I mean, if I had eyeballs, I couldn't find them. I think ever since we moved, some stuff has gotten misplaced or rearranged. So I picked up some eyeballs. But look at these cute puppy stickers, and they're 2D, like they're dimensional. They're pop-up puppy stickers. So just know that whenever you use these, because if you haven't seen any of my other videos where we made, we used something similar, but it were butterflies. So notice that the puppy ears sit up, right? You can tell on this side that the puppy's ears sit up. Maybe if I turn it that way. So anyway, so you want to make sure to potentially pull this up and glue it down because over time it may lift up if you're going to be selling your earrings, right? It may not, because I haven't used these before, but I know with the butterflies, the wings can come off, the part that sticks up, because if it's touching things and whatnot, and I only know that because I kept a pair for myself. So what I did was I pulled the wings off, glued it down, and then pushed the wing back down. So that's the same thing you can do with the puppies. I don't think it'll affect it in any way, but oh my gosh, are these not the cutest, funniest things ever? So there's a Basset Hound, and I don't know, is that an English Bulldog? But the one that's like Sherlock Holmes, he's got shades. One of them's blowing bubble gum. It's completely hysterically cute. So I'm gonna make some earrings out of those because people are animal lovers, right? So I just thought that'd be a cute project. I think I got 2 packs of those only because I figured that I got carried away. That's the only reason, I'm not even gonna lie. So anyway, whole bunch of puppy stickers. So then I got the Hoot Hoots. So I got the owl earrings. Now these are really large, right? So chances are, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put these on a wood base or not, but look how pretty they are. And I felt like they were perfect for fall. So let me see. So they will fit on, you know, the wood bases, but you probably don't want all your earrings to be that large because not everybody is gonna want that big of an earring. I think I don't have any smaller circles already out, but I'm making a lot of noise, I know. Let's just pour the whole thing out. So the Hoot Hoot could fit on the teardrops, which means they probably can fit on the smaller circles. The bird's tail would hang off, which would be fine as long as you secure it properly with glue, then that's not gonna lift up or come off. So anyway, I just thought they were really pretty for the fall. I love the colors, and I feel like these could be a year-round earring, right? Well, at least fall and winter. So, or spring. So anyway, I thought they were pretty, and they're dimensional as well. They sit up, so they have like a sticker on the back that makes them sit up, but they're also dimensional. Very cute. And then this is where it all kind of unraveled for me in getting overzealous about the amount of stickers I was buying, right? So look at these, aren't they gorgeous? So these are like textile stickers, and they reminded me of like metal. So I was just like, they are so gorgeous. So you could make this the base that hangs on the ear. You could make this, the larger part, hang it diagonally or as a square, and they are just so beautiful. So look, I had taken all these squares back to Hobby Lobby because I was like, I'm not gonna use it. I had to go back and rebuy them from Hobby Lobby. Right, so you could actually glue the smaller sticker onto the smaller square. I think there's an even tinier square in here. Drill a hole, and now you have these perfectly beautiful textured gorgeous earrings, and these are stickers and they're lightweight. Or you could glue these onto cardboard or cardstock and just paint a design on the back so no one knows that it's on paper. You could drill a hole once it dries. And then you have these perfectly lightweight earrings. So of course, just remember you're gonna need 2 sheets for each. But are these not fabulous? These are gonna make some fabulous earrings. So I got carried away there. That was the first thing I saw that took me off the rails. The second thing I saw, or maybe the first that took me off the rails, were these stickers. Oh my gosh, they are so incredibly beautiful. I mean, the gold and the black together. So I was like, these could be either post earrings, they could be clip-ons, they could be the base to other earrings. So like if you did this as a center design, and then, you know, I'm just holding these up. And then if you put one in the center and then all these gold and white and gray colors on the base of this, but use this as a centerpiece, they could be tons of stuff. So whatever you decide, they could even be clip-ons. Again, you could put a paper backing. You could use a wood square backing if you chose to. You could just do all these things. So awesome, totally love it. So there's that, and then look at these. Aren't these gorgeous? So they're blue. They reminded me of Mediterranean towels. I don't know why everybody is calling me this morning. The phone's just ringing off the hook while I'm doing this video with you. So you have these Mediterranean looking towels that are so pretty. And so you could do the same thing with these. You know what I mean? Like you could also take 3 of these and drill holes to make a linear pair of earrings. You could either do squares, you could turn them on their side and make them look like whatever that shape is. Trapezoid maybe, I don't know. I'm sure that's not right, but I don't have a degree in math, so help me on that. And then you could just use all these beautiful different color designs. These are just beautiful. You could make any kind of project with these. You could use mirrors. Like I went and dug out some of my mirrors, and so we're gonna make a project with those, but you could use something, you know, with that. And you could use your old cereal boxes. We've done a video with that before. So these are the pièce de résistance. I saved the best for last. Oh my gosh, they're Native American print. Oh my gosh, and they are just so pretty. So here's the Native American print designs. And you can just use them to do so many different things. I love, love, love them. So pretty. And so these are all the stickers and everything that I bought, and we have so many projects that we're hoping to get to and work on. If not, you know, it'll just be a part of my obsessive sticker collection. And we'll go from there. So I'll see you over on the Halloween video that we're completing, and then we'll figure out what our next project is gonna be, and we'll ease on down the creative road. God bless you guys. I'll talk to you soon.